Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Today we are going to do the first question in the worksheet that was related to millions and rounding. So this is the first question, which is complete the following table. We have here the numbers form, the expanded form, and the letters form. This is the first number here. We are going to write it in the expanded form. Before writing it, we are going to divide it into classes. So I start from the end. I count 1, 2, 3. I put comma, which is the simple class. We have ones, tens, and hundred. Then again, I count 1, 2, 3. This is the thousandth class. In the thousandth class, we have 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. So, and we have the million class. In the million class, here we have only 1 million, and we have 10 million. Now let's write it in the expanded form. In the expanded form, I start with 5. So I will write 5. 5 is 10,000, so it should have 7 zeros. You can count the digits here, yani 1 digit, 2 digits, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I write 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus, now I have the digit 7, which is the million class. So I should write 6 zeros. Then I have 6, which is the 100,000. I will write 5 zeros next to it. Then I have 1. I will write 4 zeros next to 1. Then I will have 2. I will write 3 zeros next to 2. Then we have 3, which is 100 with 2 zeros. Then 6, which is tens with 1 zero. I don't expand the 0, so I don't write anything in the ones. Now I will write it in the letters form. So in the letter form, we have, what do we have in the million class? I read each class and all. In the million class, we just have 57. So I write 57. 57 what? 57 million. Then I'll go to the thousand class. What do I have? I have 612. 612 what? Thousand. Then I have 360. I'm done with the first number. I will go to the second number now. In the second number, I will start with a 3. How many digits do I have after 3? I have 6 digits. So I should put 6 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dashes. I have to fill all of these 6 dashes. Now, what do I have here? I have 5,000. 5,000 has 3 zeros. So I come to the end and I count 1, 2, 3. I don't write on the third dash. I write it on the fourth. Yani I write here digit 5. And I have to fill all the other spaces with zeros. This is a space here. I put 0. And here another space. I put 0. And I have here a space. I put 0. Another space. I put 0. And concerning the ones, it is written here, which is 8. In this way, I will write the number. Now let's write it in the letter form. I start all from the end. I count 1, 2, 3. I put a comma. 1, 2, 3. I put a comma. Now let's write it in words or in letters. What do I have in the million class? I just have 3. So I just write 3. 3 what? 3 million. Then in the thousand class, what do I have? I just have 5,000 because the 100,000 and the 10,000 are 0, as you see. They are 0, so I do not read them. I just say 5. And in the simple class, also, I just have 8, so I write 8. Let's move for the last example. In this one, I have to circle 2 words, which are million and thousand. طب I circled million. Where is thousand? There is no thousand. So I have to know that in the thousand class, I'm going to put zeros because there is no thousand. So I will write 12 million, nothing in the thousand class. So I will put zeros. And what do I have in the simple class? I have 185. I am done with this number. Now I will write it in the expanded form. So let's write it now in the expanded form. I have 1, so I write 1. How many digits after 1 do I have? I have 7 digits, so I have to put 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I have 2. I write 2. How many digits after 2 do I have? I have 6 digits, so I should write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Then I will write nothing in the thousand class, so I don't expand zeros. I will write 1 with 2 zeros, then I will write 8 with 1 0, and at the end I will write 5 with no zeros. So this is the expanded form. This is everything for today. You have to correct this question on your worksheet. Goodbye, see you soon inshallah.